Welcome. Are you ready to take your Messenger experience to the next level? Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature: turning on Read Receipts in the Messenger app. By enabling this, you'll be able to see when your friends have read your messages, adding an extra layer of communication to your chats. So, let's get started. First things first, grab your Android device and open the Messenger app. This is the gateway to keeping in touch with your friends and family. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. You'll find this icon at the top left corner of your screen. Give it a tap. Now, you'll want to access the settings to customize your Messenger experience. To do this, tap the gear icon you see in the menu. This will lead you to a range of settings options. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. This section is crucial for managing how you interact with others on Messenger. Once you're in the Privacy and Safety section, look for an option labeled Read Receipts. It's time to take your messaging to a new level of clarity. Finally, it's all about that last step. Just toggle on the option for Show Read Receipts. Once you do this, your friends will be able to see when you've read their messages, and you'll be able to see when they read yours. Easy, right? And that's it. You're all set up to enjoy a more connected Messenger experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.